Hey Middle Earth fans, Alfred Price here. Welcome back to the Middle Earth Collector channel to another unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's get right into it. Today I have got another mini, and it is of Eowyn in Mourning, mini statue. Let's just get right into the unboxing here, right out of the ship box here. Been wanting this one for a while. She is such a very, very awesome character in all the movies. And she's the one that kills the Witch King of Angmar in Return of the King. And she says, "I am no man." And just stabs him right in the face to kill the Witch King of Angmar. Very cool. So you can see the box there. Very cool. That's the front. And of address. If you want to pause it there, you can read up on her there. And I love the portrait there on the box as well on that. Very, very cool. So let's open her up. I'm so excited about this one. Nice. Perfect. Easy to pull out. A maiden of Rohan, she is. She is the niece of Theoden, brother of Eomer, and cousin of Theodred, which you see very briefly in the movies, in the extended version that you see them. And that's why she is in mourning, because of Theodred. Got her here. Perfect. Let's pop her up. Perfect. And I love the minis. As I said before in other videos, they're not a space hog. They don't take as much space or anything like that. You can collect a bunch of these and just have a great collection of these. These are so awesome. Oh, she looks great, you guys. Oh my God, I can't wait to show you the close-ups on this one. I know you can't see it from afar there, but just as an overview there. Very, very cool. And you can see her cape there, just flowing on the back there. Really, really cool mini statue. This is one of the better ones, I'd say, that they have done. Like, the portrait on this, it is amazing. Really, really well done, Weta. I hope you guys are just watching this. I am flabbergasted on this one. Wow. And Bridget Wist is the sculptor for this mini statue. Well done, Bridget. I love this one. This is one of my, I dare say, my top 3 in my mini statue collection now. Very well, very well done. So I'm going to show you some close-ups now of this statue. You're going to love this. This is really cool. So just getting right into the close-ups here. Very cool. Don't want to get fairly close. I don't want no. So you can see what I mean. Her portrait is just awesome, and you can see her headdress there. Really cool there. And then her brooch and her pose and everything. I love her robe. Really cool. And even her hair on the back and up done in a bun. Very cool. I love this statue. I love this mini statue. Really cool. Sometimes just simple is best, you know. You don't want a statue too busy or anything like that. But you can see what I mean there with her portrait. It's really well done. Her headdress is down a little bit, not on her hair so much, but it's on her forehead, but that's okay. I like that. And then her eyes and her nose and her mouth, like her mouth and everything, is really well done. And then you can see her front there with the brooch and her dress underneath there. Really cool. And if I can get close enough here, the detail somewhat of her hands there. Really well done. And then her belt that goes across. Yeah, no, I really like this mini statue. It's really good. Thank you, Weta, for this mini statue. I absolutely love this. And Eowyn is played by Miranda Otto. She is so great. So that is Eowyn in Mourning, mini statue. Comment down below what you guys thought. Like and subscribe. Have a great day and see you guys in an upcoming video.